sorry, I'm having a meeting for like a week. I'm going somewhere, but see you soon. Bye. The next day. Oh, so this is dumb. Yeah, I know, man. For a rich guy. I know. I have to check your drawer. Yeah. Oh, I found his wallet. Dude. Yeah, he's got a Visa card, silver card, a lunch card, and like $85. Okay. Let's check over here. Check. Hey! What are you doing